Hello. So I'm back again, and I've only made a little adjustment to this from what we had last time. So last time we had a big gear going to a small gear, but now this time we have a small gear going to a big gear. And so last time I asked you to try and guess, what do you think is going to happen to this speed? So when we went from a big gear to a small gear, the small gear went way faster than the big gear. So what's going to happen when we go from a small gear to a big gear? Let's see. So that big gear is moving a lot slower than our small gear is. Now you might be wondering, why would we want it to move slower? What would be the point of this kind of gear? So even though it moves slower, it actually has more power than if we were doing a small gear or a big gear to a small gear. So what kind of machine would we want to move slower but have a lot more power? I'll give you a hint. Some construction machines, like a bulldozer, we'd want that to have a lot of power. I want you to think of other things that we would want to have a small gear to a big gear so that it moves slower but has a lot more power.